Hi, and welcome to Agile Logics. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of seamlessly integrating your Salesforce account with the Agile Sync Addon for Agile Store Locator. Before starting the integration, you'll need your Salesforce client ID, client secret, and your Salesforce login credentials. Let's begin by logging into your Salesforce account. From your dashboard, navigate to Manage Settings and open Advanced Setup. In the quick search bar, type and select App Manager. Click on App Manager to open the list of apps. Now, click on New Connected App. Then, choose Create a Connected App to begin the setup. You'll now be prompted to fill in the connected app details. Let's go ahead and complete the form. For example, enter a name like Sync 2025. Fill out the connected app name and provide your contact email. Scroll down and check Enable OAuth settings. Enter the callback URL. This should match the domain you're using in the Agile Sync page. For OAuth scopes, you may choose either limited read-only access or full access permissions. Once done, click the Save button to proceed. Salesforce will take a few minutes to activate the app. As noted, this process may take up to 10 minutes. Once the app is active, it will appear in the App Manager list. Click to open it and access the credentials. Click on Manage Consumer Details to view your keys. Salesforce will send a verification code to the email address you have registered. Check your email and retrieve the code. Once you've entered the verification code, click Verify to confirm. You'll now be able to see your consumer key and consumer secret. Now, head back to your WordPress dashboard where Agile Sync Addon is installed, and click on Create New Job. Let's name this job Sync SF. Now, copy client ID and client secret and paste into the respective fields. Next, enter your Salesforce username and password. For the password, you have two options. Either append the security token to your password or configure a trusted IP range to bypass the token requirement. We'll proceed with a plain Salesforce password. If you see a message stating that the request is not authorized, it likely means additional security settings need to be configured. Head over to the quick search bar and type in Profile. Now, open your System Administrator profile. Click on Login IP Ranges. Select New Login and define a broad IP range to ensure access. Then, save your changes. The rule has been added. Now, navigate to the OAuth and OpenID Connect settings. Enable the option for username-password flows. Now, click on the Get Objects button. You'll see that Salesforce has returned all available objects. Among them, select Accounts. Once the object is selected, Agile Sync will fetch all the fields related to that object type. You can now select the specific fields you want to fetch. Once done, click Start Mapping. This is a crucial step. We must select a unique ID field that will be mapped to the API item ID. In Salesforce, this unique identifier is the ID field. Next, we also need to choose a unique timestamp for tracking updates. select Last Modified Date. For the title field, select Name, which serves as the record title in Salesforce. Then map the longitude and latitude fields. Continue mapping the address-related fields. This includes street, city, state, postal code, and country. If your Salesforce object includes a phone number, website URL, and description field, you can map that as well. Additionally, if there are any custom fields, you may map those at this stage too. Now, click on Save Mapping. Update the status to Enabled. Also, activate the Notify option. This will send you a notification email each time the sync job is executed. You can also enable the deletion option. Click Finish to complete the field mapping setup. Agile Sync will now begin the synchronization process to import data into your managed store records. As you can see, 10 records have been successfully processed. Let's refresh the page. It looks like there were 30 records in Salesforce originally. The sync has completed, and all 30 records have been successfully imported. Let's test the result in our store locator to verify the data. As expected, all the mapped fields from Salesforce are now synchronized and visible in the store locator. We hope you now have the better understanding of how to connect Agile Sync with Salesforce. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.